Hey guys, Alan with the Grilling Network. Welcome. Today we're in lovely Bishop, California, camping with the family. Today on tap, macaroni and cheese. We're going to be cooking on our Camp Chef grill. Let's get cooking. We're using our Camp Chef Pro 90X3 burner for this cook. We have a pot of boiling water, 1 pound of elbow macaroni. We want to cook this shy of being completely done. It'll finish once we toss it into the oven. Now that our pasta is finished, it's ready to make the sauce. To start off, we're using a quarter cup of butter, quarter cup of flour. We're making a basic roux. To that, we'll add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. And a cup and a half of whole milk. Let that come together. It'll start thickening up, and we'll add the next step, which is cheese. Now that our roux is coming together nicely, it's thickening up, it's time to add the cheese. Here we have 1 cup of Satori Parmesan cheese. I'm going to add that to the mixture. And we also have 1 cup of smoked cheddar that I smoked, and I'll point a video to how I did that, in the description below. Just add that slowly, let it melt and come together nicely. Now that our smoked cheddar and Parmesan cheese have melted together nicely, it's now add 2 more cups of cheddar cheese. This is just regular cheddar cheese that we've shredded up. Again, let it come together, slowly. Don't want to put too much in there. While we're doing this, we have our pizza oven coming up to temp. After we're done with this, it's time to toss this into the oven. All right, it's smelling phenomenal. The smoked cheddar is definitely can smell it. Now it's time to add our pasta. We have roughly 9 ounces of cooked pasta. Just add it to the mixture. All right, just make sure you cover all the noodles with this lovely cheesy gooiness. The next step is to add some panko or breadcrumbs, making sure you cover the entire pan. And this is going to turn a nice golden brown once we toss into our oven. As I mentioned, it's preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. All right. And some more cheese. Just lightly sprinkle it all over. This is also going to melt and get that nice golden brown as well. And the beauty of cooking with cast iron is it can go straight in. So we're going to do that now. Using a mitt, safety. And then gently toss it into the oven. Let this go for 25 to 30 minutes. We'll see you back soon. All right, it's been 30 minutes. We've pulled it out, let it cool down a little bit. It's still quite hot. The cheese has got a nice golden brown. It smells absolutely phenomenal. You can definitely smell that smoked cheddar. Let's give this a try. Wow, that tasted absolutely phenomenal. If you guys have never had homemade mac and cheese, you definitely have to give it a try. And once you do, I guarantee you'll never eat that box stuff again. I want to thank Camp Chef for making this possible. Enjoying the outdoors is, favorite of our families, and being able to do that and cook for larger families is definitely a bonus. So again, guys, if you like this video, please subscribe, like the video, thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next one.